This is our vacuum cleaner. To charge it, if it's not charged, you put this one in. It starts with the blue light. It turns off when it's fully charged, and then you can, it's fully charged, we can just take this out. You remove it by lifting it. When you use it, have it on the medium, that will give around 20 minutes. If you have it on max, it will only give like 5 minutes in total. When you are to, if you are to replace the header, this is the normal header. This is the one for carpets, and then furniture, different things. You can push these buttons. Also down here, and replace the head.